Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka crew link ka bajulong ka way na ki shlem ay jing hikay haka kam shakri haki kat lingsun haka arpu pratrek ujumang arjar khat khandai kala pun penapait ba shen kan sa ay jing hikay shaki samla ka jala Meghalaya bat ki jong ka thain chatai lamingi ka ri India ki badon ka jing ang not haka ne ka kam ka managing director jong ka crew link ka kong Golda Liza Nengnong haka jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor kalaya thu bakane ka shlem a jing kai hadu menta ka juyai penshai nakapor shakapor ya ki samla pule ba kimdei ban sha ya lambakla hak bayadei bat ka jingle sha pentibet haka kam ban shakri hakikat lingsun bat haki lingsun.
It's sad to know that there are many institutes that we have come across students who have come to us like these institutes, they have lured students into joining their institutes, so as to lure them into joining their institutes to join for the airlines. Actually, but what we find out is that at the end, these students are placed in hotel industries. So from our institute, we want this to be some kind of awareness program for them, so that they will know exactly how to go about it, awareness for them how to join this industry. So being a local, what we want to do is to help our youth to achieve their goals and to guide them, counsel them so that they will not be misled into joining this industry. So that is all about grueling. And also so as to say, there is from Indigo Airlines, they have this Interglobe. Interglobe is a parent company of Indigo, and I'm proud to say that I'm the authorized person to do the admission. And Interglobe, they have their own school of engineering, which is the aircraft. This is the authorization. And Interglobe, they have their own school of aircraft maintenance engineering. And we are proud to say that just yesterday, one of our students, his name is Wadi Kalan Siemle, he is the first from Northeast to join this institute. And that's why we're here now. We want to promote this and give this awareness to the students so that they will know that there is chance for them to join the industry. And they will be placed in Indigo Airlines.
Mission is to link the aspiring crew from Northeast, students and candidates from Northeast India to join the airline industry and to join the aviation industry. So that is our primary focus. Also, we're proud to announce, to inform you and share that now we are associated with Interglobe Group. Now, Interglobe Group, as you know, they are the promoters of Indigo Airline. So, as you know, they are one of the largest Indian airlines which operate under the brand name Indigo. As we speak today, Indigo has about 200 plus Airbus 320 aircraft and it's still growing. So, there is a huge demand for aircraft maintenance engineers. To cater to this demand, Interglobe Group has opened its own institute called SAME. There is a brochure there for all of you to go through. It's called the School of Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. Now, in this, we have two streams. One is avionics and the other one is mechanics. So right now, we're very keen to offer these courses here to the Northeast. And this is a course where you get licensed. So once the student undergoes this training, it's a 2-year, 4-semester training course, which is authorized by the Director General Civil Aviation. And on successful completion of this course, the students will get their basic AME license. Now, to work on the aircraft, you have to have a license. An engineer has to be licensed. Just having a BTech degree or a BSc degree does not permit them, does not authorize them to work on the aircraft. for that specifically we have the AME license. So this is what the School of Aircraft Maintenance Engineering is offering.
The institute into the other institutes. Okay, we're not taking like numbers, huge numbers, because what we do is we want to give the best. So we can't, if there are about 50 plus, we can't do that to each and every one. We can't give them the proper teaching and all. So like we have about less than 20, almost 20 every batch. We do have students for that. And as now, yes, and that too after screening. We do proper screening, because like it's very difficult sometimes, because what we find is like we have students coming from other institutes who come to us, like they don't have the height. After completing their training, they don't have the height, and they come to us like offering us, ma'am, how much are you going to charge just to give us a job? And it's very difficult for us to help them. So what we do is in our institute, we used to do like a screening. And after screening, proper screening only, then we take them. That is like below 20, not more than 20 students at one batch. And like, so as to say, like I'm very proud to announce, like we have one student. He's a Kasi, his name is Alex Eumle.
His photograph is there.
His photograph is there in the project room, and he's the first Kasi. But the Indigo Airlines, they gave him that award for being the best AOCS, means he is the best officer that Indigo has as a ground handling.
Yes.
So that is what we do. We take very less, like the numbers, not more than 20.
We are not in the number game.
It's not the number game, because we want to give them the best. And like, so as to see that one time in a classroom, and I individual training. But if we have like less number, counseling. Almost every day we have a counseling class for all students, because we have students. We are having students from Dimapur, Kohima, Tura, and all. So for these, like, you know, like a problem, like English is a problem for them, Hindi. So sometimes they feel so down that they can't do this in a month's time and all. So we have every day, we do have a counseling class for all the students individually. We do counseling. So that is why we should not